Mastering the Twiddler means knowing the keyboard layout like the back of your hand. The more familiar you are with proper finger positioning, the faster you'll type. Let's check it out. On the Twiddler keypad, you'll see 12 main buttons laid out in 4 rows and 3 columns. Each of your 4 fingers is dedicated to its own row. Here's how you properly place your fingers on the keys. Your index finger presses the mini buttons at the top and the main first row. Your middle finger presses the buttons in the second row. Your ring finger presses the buttons in the third row. And your pinky presses the buttons in the 4th row. When you press a key, you'll notice that nothing happens until you release it. This is done to make chording easy. When typing a chord, you need to press each key in the chord, but in no particular order. When all of the keys in the chord are held down, releasing any one of the keys will complete the chord, and the Twiddler will start typing. This makes chording easy and comfortable. Give it a try.